I have the living space over here, which comes with Italian marble flooring. This is the countertop of the kitchen. This is the bed space. Hey everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself, Anchor Brinda. Today we will be doing the 3 BHK sample flat tour of The Loft by V Rise, which is located on Channasandra Main Road near Hope Farm Junction, Whitefield, Bangalore. Now let me talk about the surrounding of this project. Exactly, I am standing in front of the marketing office, and towards my right hand side you can see the marketing office. Exactly next to the marketing office we have our land parcel. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry, because in Housey, the listings will be done by the developers and not by the brokers. So you can build your dream home only by Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel with 2 towers with 3 basement plus ground plus 25 floors, having 3 BHK premium residences. Now let's talk about the amenities of this project. This project offers indoor and outdoor amenities such as a grand clubhouse with rooftop swimming pool, open gymnasium, indoor games, library. Coming to the outdoor amenities, we have multi-purpose court, landscape gardens, amphitheater, party lawn, open chess, ludo, kids play area, and many more amenities. This project is located on Channasandra Main Road near Hope Farm Junction next to MVJ College. This road is Channasandra Main Road, and towards my left hand side, this road takes you towards Saukhya Road, and towards my right hand side, this road takes you towards Hope Farm Junction. This project provides you the excellent key connectivity. We have Kargodi metro station in just 1.2 kilometers away. We can reach Whitefield Global School in just 2 minutes of drive. Nexus Whitefield Mall is just 1.5 kilometers away. Now let's check out their 3 BHK model flat of 2185 square feet super built-up area. Let's get in. So once we get inside the house, we can see the wooden main door comes with 8 feet, and we have the digital lock system. This is the spacious fire area. So once I enter with the fire area, I have the living space over here, which comes with Italian marble flooring. This is the huge TV unit. Exactly next to the living space, we have balcony number 1. Which comes with anti-skid flooring and toughened glasses. The major USP of this balcony door is this is aluminium glass door, comes with the noise cancellation. Okay, so this is the living space with the TV unit. Now towards my right hand side, we have bedroom number 1, that is the master bedroom. Before I hop into master bedroom, let me show you the kitchen and the dining area and rest of the bedrooms. Come. So here is 6 seating of dining, spacious dining space, which comes with the open window for natural light and ventilation. The major advantage of this dining space is if we switch off the lights in the dining area as well, we can see the natural light as well as the electric lights as well. So now let's check out their kitchen. So once we enter the kitchen, we can see this is the countertop of the kitchen. Exactly towards this side, we have the sink zone. Here we have the spacious many storage cabinets, small cabinets. This is the fridge point, and again here also we have the cabinets to keep all our necessary items. We have utility as well. Utility is also the major advantage, comes with the anti-skid flooring. We have separate sink zone, and here we can keep a washing machine. The major advantage of this open utility is you can see the open space over here, which is there for natural light and ventilation. Now let's check out their bedroom number 1, that is the kids' bedroom. Before kids' bedroom, let me show you, this is the common washroom. Comes with anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. Yes, so this is bedroom number 1, that is the kids' bedroom. Even the door is wooden door. Yes, and this kids' bedroom comes with 8 feet ceiling with vitrified tiles. And here you can see the study table. And this is a huge bay window with the relaxing zone. We can enjoy a coffee and snacks over here. And this is the bed space. Towards my left hand side, we have the huge dressing table with the storage space, and also this is the wardrobe space. Perfectly done for kids. Now let's check out their bedroom number 2. This is the spacious and a huge bedroom. This is bedroom number 2, comes with 8 feet ceiling, vitrified tiles. And here we can see this is the bed space. This is the huge TV unit. And towards my right hand side, we have the spacious wardrobe where we can keep our closets, etc., the necessary things. And here we have balcony number 2. This balcony number 2 comes with anti-skid flooring with tough end glasses, and again the door of this balcony is aluminium door with noise cancellation setup. I already told you we have a special setup of wardrobe in this particular bedroom. That is, we have the walk-in closet in this bedroom. You can see the spacious wardrobe setup. And also here is walking area towards connects to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom area which comes with anti-skid flooring and the sanitary fittings. Now let's check out their master bedroom. But before moving to master bedroom, let me quickly tell you the features of Housey. Housey provides actual location tour, actual and sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, pricing and EMI schedule, 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are available on Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Do like, share and subscribe Housey. So let's check it out their master bedroom. We have the master bedroom exactly right side of the main door. So this is the master bedroom. Comes with wooden finish flooring. This is the bed space. And again we have balcony number 3. So basically this 3 BHK home comes with 3 balconies. And this balcony comes with anti-skid flooring with toughened glasses and also the aluminium door with noise cancellation setup. So again, this is the huge TV unit. Towards my right hand side, we have the spacious wardrobe setup over here. And also, we have another wardrobe setup so that we can keep our huge set of clothes and all the necessary things in the wardrobes. And here we have the attached bathroom. Comes with anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. So as you all know, today we are in Channasandra Main Road near Hope Farm Junction. So if you come across any other project in this particular location, do let me in the comment section. For more details, do like and share Housey. Until next video, this is Anchor Brunda signing off. See you in the next project walkthrough.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.